How to link Facebook to Evony the King's Return. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to link your Facebook account on Evony so that you can save your progress, help you recover your account, and makes it easier to connect with friends. First of all, launch the Evony game on your device, and once you're inside this city area, go ahead and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Account. Now under Account, click on Link Account. On the next page, select the Link Facebook option and click on Allow. Now you'll need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credential, that is your email and password, or your phone number and password. Just make sure that you enter the correct Facebook account's credentials. If you're already logged into Facebook on this device, then you may not have to type in the email and password now and then. It'll take you to this page where you'll need to go ahead and allow permission for the game, and you will successfully link Facebook with Evony. The game will then show the confirmation message that the account has been linked. So that is how you can easily link Evony with Facebook. It is one of the easiest way to protect your hard-earned progress. It's quick, safe, and makes playing with friends more fun. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.